show you the surprise. Hi guys, we've arrived in Indang, and I'm actually half surprised because I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's the continuation of Kuya Lux's birthday celebration. Yay!
Hi, Felix! Sige lang, up. Straight ka. Straight! Sige lang, straight. Asan daw siya? Anihin natin siya? Okay, straight. Mag-happy birthday. The floor is... Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alisin mo na. Happy birthday to you. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yee! Yay! Wow! Oh, ano? What can you say? Ano? Nagigising mo lang.
Nagulat ako. Hindi alam mo, nasa na. Nakasingkap na eh.
Happy birthday, anak!
Hi guys, right now we're at Driftwood in Indang, Cavite. Which is cool. We sent like a camp over here with our food and our bonfire that we're gonna put later.
So we have samgyeopsal. Yummy, yummy. How is it so far?
What?
Are you liking here?
Yeah.
How is it so
let's
far?
start it off.
Can you describe how?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good.
Why is this so hard here?
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna try to find monsters.
Really?
Mom!
So it's gonna be ghost hunting?
Yeah.
Wow.
We're trying to find the bathroom.
Oh, the bathroom is over there. It's very clean.
Guys, we're gonna go monster hunting with my cousin. And look at my gear. I'm ready.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
It's good. I haven't even tasted it yet.
But it's already good, yeah. Wow.
Let's taste it.
Good? Huh?
Yeah.
Super?
Hi guys! Right now we are gonna light up the bonfire. So I'm gonna say happy birthday to Lux, okay? Come here, come on. Have you ever watched Pixels? Waiting. I'm waiting. Happy birthday, Lux!
Thank you. Anyway guys, I'm here somewhere. I don't know really where I am, but it's in the woods and there's been like a surprise for me and now we're having a bonfire. Show them.
What about you, Felix? Is this your first bonfire? Did you ever have a camping with a bonfire? Where?
I don't remember, but I did.
And in school or what?
I really don't remember.
Oh yeah?
So guys, actually this is Driftwood, Indang, Cavite. My mom just told me this like earlier. Like, look at Enzo. He's actually like s'moring some marshmallows. Yeah, it's a really fun birthday. Hey guys, we're making s'mores with Jadax.
I'm about to make one.
Yep, so guys, we're just gonna keep this burning. See?
Guys, look at the s'mores that I made. It looks so good. Look at that.
Wow.
Everybody's gonna
Yummy?
It's so sticky, look.
Good.
Guys, this is how you make a s'more. So Graham crackers, you place a marshmallow that you put it in the fire, and then you put it right here, sticky. And then you put a chocolate, any kind of chocolate. This Graham, the other Graham piece there, and that's how you make s'mores.
And sometimes boiling water. Okay, so there are two parts. So this stove itself and the butane. Okay, so you open it. Okay, pop it out. See? Then you put this inside. There's a hole together with the pin. Put it inside. There. Okay. So the position. See this space here. And this one, it should be aligned. Okay? Until it's not very good. Okay. Try it again. There. It's fine. It's turned off. Have to turn it off. And open. Oh, no, it's still locked.
Hey guys, we just woke up.
Yep.
I'm here with JX. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna go stretching. Yeah?
Yeah.
Another side. Keep stretching. Now behind your back. Guys, while we wait for them, they're just jogging here. Where are they? Yeah. So maybe we're gonna grab some food after this. Hey guys. Yeah, we're just gonna keep walking here, like in the woods, and explore some more, right? So hopefully we find something like I don't know what we're trying to find, but we're just gonna go explore. Our cameraman just cut. Anyway, we're just here and exploring the woods. It's actually really interesting. Right, Judith?
Yeah, we're just roaming
Yeah, and
around.
it feels so free and the wind is so nice.
The nature is
cutie, Kuya Enzo. Yeah?
Close.
Okay, close it.
Close. It's a beautiful view here, and we're just gonna chill here in this duyan.
Yeah, it's a duyan.
Go.
Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe and turn notifications on. And comment down below if you liked Kuya Lux's birthday. Come join my journey in J-Duck's journey.